Hey, hi. I recently bought this dress from your store, but I noticed it's a bit too tight for me. Can I exchange it for a larger size?
Hello, ma'am. Sorry to hear that the dress didn't fit you as expected. Of course, we can help you with an exchange. Could you please provide me your order number and your size?
Sure, let me check. Yeah, my order number is 12345 and I need to exchange it from a medium size to large size.
Thank you for the information. Let me check our inventory. One moment, please.
No problem, I will wait.
Great news. We do have the dress in large size. Before we proceed, could you confirm that the dress is unworn and still has the tags attached?
Thank God. Then I will go with the large size. Yes, the dress is unworn and has all the tags. I tried it on once.
Okay, great.
Hey, I want to know what's on sale today.
No, there is no sale today, but if you can wait until next weekend, you can save some money.
Do you know what's going to be on sale?
You will be happy to know that everything in the store will be on sale.
I won't miss that for anything. I will wait until next weekend.
Okay, great. So, bring lots of cash so you can buy lots of things.